Alrighty, these are the elevators of the Hampton Inn and Suites in Mechanicsburg. We have some Schindler RTs that got a mod by Thyssenkrupp. Let's see. It's under level a little bit. But yeah, these are still using the old GAL equipment. These were installed in '89, modded in 2017. There's your certificate. Controller's definitely been replaced. There we go. Well, you can see up there in comment. Okay, here we are again. This time in the left car. Yeah, these aren't bad mods. This isn't a bad mod. This one might be going down. Okay, well, looks like we're gonna end up with this car right here. Yeah, this one's going down. Well, that was unexpected. Someone might be on this one. Hasn't anything happened. We'll go end up on 4. As you can see, that's the door track. And that will be it.